Let's talk about the Shark AV2501AE. This one is basically Shark's AI robot with an XL HEPA self-empty base and leader mapping, pitched as a fantastic mid-range option for pet households, and it's been seen on sale in recent months. Price history points to deals down near $299 to $349 at times, though the retail can vary. If you're price sensitive but still want a clean, automated solution that doesn't choke on fur, this model often ends up as a go-to because it gives you that 60-day capacity and solid shark suction without completely breaking the bank. I'm flagging the price ranges I saw because third-party sellers rotate offers frequently, so check the buy link for the current checkout price. In day-to-day use, the AV2501AE feels familiar if you've used newer Shark robots. It's sturdy, has good carpet and hard floor performance, and the self-empty function takes away a lot of the annoying maintenance. The leader mapping is accurate enough to let you draw virtual boundaries and target cleaning to rooms. Voice control via Alexa Google adds nice convenience, and the HEPA rated, or HEPA style, filtration helps with allergens in homes with pets. The product page shows plenty of buyers and a lot of praise centered on pet hair pickup and the convenience of the base, with the typical scatter of critical reviews that mention occasional navigation jams or app updates that didn't go smoothly. What I like: excellent value for the feature set, robust pet hair handling, and minimal daily maintenance. What bugs me: occasional reports of inconsistent app behavior and the usual marketplace price swings. So if you see a deal, it's worth jumping on. Bottom line: great workhorse robot for busy homes on a budget who still want the conveniences of mapping plus auto empty. Don't forget, we share buy links in the description box so you can check the live price and seller details.